I'm here to accompany the visiting delegation from the Fraternal African State of Ghana, Your Excellency, and specifically from the Ghana Senior Staff and Command College, who are here on a study tour under the theme Climate Change, Environment Security and Development as a requirement for the fulfillment of their training program, Your Excellency.
The politics of identity. Some people, actually most of the political leaders, thought that politics should be for identity groups, tribes, religion, gender chauvinism, the three what we regard as mistakes. The politics of tribes, politics of religion, politics of gender chauvinism, looking down upon women. That was the dominant politics in Africa. If you take Nigeria, that was a big problem. When Nigeria almost broke up.
Like nations that tend to have natural resources rather tend to be poor. They tend to need a lot. That's a resource curse I'm trying to ask question on, sir.
We came on the scene in the 1960s when the Nkrumahs had been active for a long time. From the 1930s, 30s, 40s, Nkrumah was already active. But for us, we came on the scene in the 1960s. And when we came, we found that politics of identity, religion, like Abubakar Tafawa Balewa for the northern region of Nigeria. After a lot of analysis, we said that historical mission number one for leaders must be prosperity for the people. So in other words, the people, they know how to look for opportunity. They were in northern Nigeria looking for opportunity because there was opportunity there, more than in their own area. But because of the wrong politics, they were now being targeted. So they had to run back, to abandon their opportunity and go back to Igbo land. So that's why we said no. You people, it seems prosperity comes from interdependence of the communities of Uganda. The interdependence, my tribe plus the tribes of other areas working together, selling to one another, that's what will create prosperity.
Of the 8, we have 67 Ghanaians and 31 from 16 allied African countries. The course here are members of senior course 46. Indeed, it is heartwarming to know that a lot of your 7 generals have passed through the Ghana Armed Forces Command and Staff College. I even saw one brigadier general who was my student this afternoon. Every year, we select a theme and visit African countries to research on the theme. This year, we are visiting 4 countries: Republic of Uganda,